Hey guys! It's your boy, Fritz Villanueva. I'm back again with another weekly videos. Yeah boy! So as you can see beside me, it's a canvas painting. So it's so big. Wow. Yeah, this will be my first ever or biggest canvas that I will be painting for this day or for this month or for this year so far. This will be the painting that I will be doing for this video. So I don't know if you can hear the rain right now. It's raining outside. I don't know if you can really hear them in this camera or outside the camera. Yeah, I don't know. So it's raining right now. I hope you can still hear me. But still, I will still continue this painting. So this is another portrait challenge for me to do. For this painting, there are two of them, but it will be half the face. So half the girl of the face and half the boy of the face, but separate, not in like all in one. So it's raining really hard, but I will still continue this painting and this video for this channel of mine, for you to enjoy and for me to enjoy also. I will continue this painting until the end. Not waste your time. I'm gonna start this painting. Let's go!
Sisimulan ko na ang pag-mix ng mga kulay. Dahil sa sobrang laki ng canvas, kinailangan ko ng handaan agad yung skin tone ng painting. Kung makikita nyo yung sketch, yan yung first step ng pag-paint ng portrait for me to have a guide. So let's start painting with the eyes or eye, dahil isa lang ito. Nasa floor ako niyan. Sa sobrang laki, nahirapan akong magpinta sa table or while standing dahil maliit lang yung room ko.
So I don't like how the lip turned out, that one. Yeah, that. So I'm just gonna redo the lips and then continue with the other parts. So let's go.
Ayan, iniba ko na yung design ng lips. This time, I am outside the room because I like the lighting, which is natural light from the sun. Pinipinta ko na yung buong half face ng lalaki with a skin tone that I have already prepared. So ngayon gawin natin yung kilay. Sobrang hirap pala gawin yung kilay niya dahil malaki nga yung portrait at gawin yung pagpinta by hair strand. Pero nagkamali ako dahil sobrang baga or thick ng kanyang kilay. Inabutan ako dyan ng gabi at yan yung progress at inayos ko yung eyebrows niya. The next morning, makikita niyo na maliwanag yung sky at paligid ko. Yan yung sky natin. So, parang uulan. So, sinasabi ko dyan ay lilipat ako ng pwesto dahil nag-iba yung lighting ng paligid ko. So, dyan ako didiretso. Pasensya na sa background, medyo magulo at nasa labas pa rin ako niyan. So this video is just a time lapse of me painting the largest portrait that I have ever done so far. So sobrang ganda ng langit at yung pinipinta ko. Malapit na ako matapos sa unang mukha, which is yung lalaki. Madumi dyan yung kamay ko dahil tinatamad punasan yung brush sa towel. So, sa kamay ko na lang ito pinunas. So, it's time for our second face, which is a girl. Pero inabutan ako ng ulan. Ngayon ay gagawa or paghahaluin natin yung mga kulay para sa next skin tone na para sa babae. So, sinimulan ko ito sa paglagay ng brown color. Sa una ay 2 drops at sa pangalawa ay 1 drop of brown. Pagkatapos lagyan ng maraming white, hindi lang marami, dapat maraming white. At 1 drop of red paint para sa unang lalagyan. So, sobrang dami ng white ang nalagay ko na. Parang half of the container na nilagyan ko ng white. Dahil sobrang lakas ng kulay ng brown. At yan yung tatlong skin tone para sa babae. So, ipagpatuloy ko na ang pangalawang mukha. At inuna ko yung mata dahil dapat unahin yung mahihirap na parts ng mukha. So, habang pinipinta ko yung lips ng babae, nahulog pala yung paint neto sa sahig. So, sobrang sayang. Napakasayang dahil hindi ko na ito magagamit dahil madumi na ito. So sad. So, ipagpatuloy natin. Kahit natapon yung paint, I will still continue the painting. So, tignan nyo dito yung pagtaas ng araw. Makikita nyo na sobrang tagal ko dyan sa pwesto na yan. But, tignan nyo to. So, look at this magic. So, lalagyan ko siya agad ng kilay. Boom. Yan, may kilay na siya.
Online class first. So yeah, I'll be continuing my painting later. Let's go. Guys, so I'm done with my online class. So it's time to continue this painting and we're almost done. We're about around 60% of the painting. So I'm done with the two faces and it's time for the other details. So let's go and start this painting again and let's go. Oh yeah guys, don't forget to click that subscribe button below and then turn on that post notification on. Ding ding. So okay, let's start now.
So tapos na rin yung mukha ng babae. Tatapusin ko rin yung leeg at mga damit nila. So malapit na tayong matapos. Light blue background tulad ng nasa picture. Ginabihan na naman ako at pinagpatuloy ko pa rin ito. Yay! The next day ulit. Ito na yung second to the last step para matapos na itong large portrait painting, which is yung mga buhok nila. So, sinimulan ko ito ng brown base color at nilagyan ng black para sa last layer. Kung ano ang makikita ko sa picture na ginagaya ko, yun din ang ilalagay ko sa painting. Sobrang ganda ng painting. At ito na yung last step kung saan nilagyan ko na ito ng aking magandang signatura. So, I will title this painting as Half Faces.
Yo, I'm done with my painting. Portrait challenge number something. I forgot. So here's the result of my painting. So it's done. It's the largest painting that I have done so far. So it's a successful. I don't know if you can see properly from that camera because I don't know the exposure. It's too high. Here, yeah, that's our result. There are two of them in one painting, but it's half face. Yeah, half face. So I'll be doing more painting portraits. I hope I will reach 100 portraits. Yeah, it's 2020 already. It's almost 2021. Actually, this is a anniversary gift also. Anniversary gift or birthday gift for her, this girl. So it's from him to her. Yeah, okay, I'm done. We already hit 2K subscribers too. So thank you to you all for subscribing and supporting me to continue my challenge and my channel and my skill. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll end this video right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!